In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the free Tasty Travels Hack and Mod, latest version. And yes, this method is fully working on both iOS and Android. In this tutorial, you'll see exactly how this Tasty Travels hack works, and why it's one of the easiest and most reliable methods available right now. As you can see on your screen, this Tasty Travels mod unlocks all hacks in the game, including unlimited gems and coins, with no root or jailbreak required. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the available features. Right here, you'll notice powerful options such as Speed Hack, Unlimited Gems, Unlimited Coins, and even more premium features that normally take weeks to unlock. Before we begin, in this tutorial, make sure your Tasty Travels game is updated to the latest version. To do that, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Tasty Travels, and check if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're good to go. In this tutorial, the next step is simple. Scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've explained exactly where and how to get Tasty Travels Plus step by step, so anyone can follow along. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!